audience features behind the Bucal team. The game is very simple. We have 4 players from the audience, 2 UNC and 2 from the BU. And the game will be demoed. The team captain of the NCF Covered Court. I like to the wheat and the Colonel Andrew Nueva BSV here. So tutulungan tayo ng stats hanap ng mga maswerteng maglalaro ngayong araw for have a spike challenge. So by partner po, sana all may partner. Since Women's Month ngayon, pipiliin natin mga babae. So happy Women's Month to time ng Bucal Season 5 Women's Basketball. Team captain. We have Coach Crucio Molina from UNC. Alright, paano po tayo ang representatives? Yung gusto brought to you by FiberX. Naghihintay po maglalaro ngayong araw. Gusto lang po natin i-congratulate si Lady Greyhounds as they clinch their spot in the Bucal Season 5 Women's Volleyball, and they will be facing the defending champions, the NCF Lady Tigers, and up next will be versus the UNC Greyhounds. And the quarterfinals is the NCF Tigers, the defending champions. The winners of this match will be advancing to the finals. We also would like to acknowledge the presence of the Bucal Season 5 Basketball Commissioner, Coach Don Razon, and the Volleyball Tournament Commissioner, Joel Vic Rosales. Proceed na po tayo dito sa katabi ko po. They will be winning gift certificate from Havaianas.
Sa UNC yan, tapos yung sa Balyo, white matter, sa BU. Muna.
Ikong bolsa.
Pag-ilig mo na muna ni.
Teams warming up to please vacate the center court for the have a spike. Yung mga volunteers po brought to you by ng ating Captain Alyssa David.
David.
One player, two different teams. And those who last longer will be declared.
Pag-serve set. Pag-serve set. Balik sa iya. Let's go. Receive lang. Demonstration lang po kami.
So para po mas po ang ating volunteers from Bucal will be demonstrating what will happen during the pre-game show. So pag-ulit natin si Liza and Joanne. So ang game po demo. For the service, overhead serve po. So dapat sa partner mo, then yung partner mo ang receive na gamit set. Pro tip, baba-babaan nyo lang po ang pag-set nyo para hindi yung pag-habol po ni Charot. So the last longer in this half a spike challenge will be declared as the winners of the Bucal Spike Challenge. Our players are ready, our representatives are ready. So they have a at the game.
Trial muna.
All right. Bawal po hawakan ng bola. Set lang po. Right, set. Set and... Alright, the next game will be official and... Setting lang po, pwede bawal po yung receive po na... Alright, I think our players are ready, so when it will be 3, 2, 1, spike! Alright, lalaglag na agad po sa view. So it means ang bilis, UNC agad. Representatives agad from UNC. Ang ating winners for the Havayanas, Havas, and our winners, in the para ma-discover ng mali. Alright. Ito na Alright, Krisha from
UNC!
former player of UNC and now the head coach of the USI Lady Falcons. So, next po.
Maren. From UNC. UNC.
Alright, from UNC din. So, may gusto ko shoutout ngayong araw.
Congratulations na lang po sa former teammates ko. Good luck sa next game.
Ikaw po, may gusto ko po ba yung shout out your best friends, your family, Your jowa, may jowa man po. Sino po ang gusto nating shoutout ngayong araw?
Ang gusto ko lang shout out sa UNC community. Thank you for supporting our players always. And always. And always.
Yeah. Congratulations to the UNC representatives and also to the UNC Lady Greyhounds. So you may know your gift certificates from Havaiana. So this certificate is 300 pesos. So leave money. So visit Havaiana stores in SM and it has no expiration date. So thank you very much to the participants from UNC and B. So abang-abang lang po baka next matchups we'll be having the Havaianas So this is the Bucal for basketball. And thank you very much. Next up will be the Bicol University versus the first runner-up, the UNC.
ready to witness the thrill of the competition and the passion of the game. I am Kimberly Elenis, and this is Sportify.
It's time to dominate! With its built-in high prioritization feature,
Yes!
charge into battle with low latency.
Yes!
And get into the race with low jitter.
Yes!
Apply for a game changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX.
Get ready to witness the thrill of the competition and the passion of the game. I am Kimberly Elenes, and this is Sportify.
It's time to dominate! With its built-in high prioritization feature,
Yes!
charge into battle with low latency.
Yes!
Get into the race with low jitter.
Yes!
Apply for a game changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX.
Bicolandia, we are down the wire on the semifinals and a do-or-die match between the Bicol University Wolves against the UNC Greyhounds. I'm Aljon, and we will be joined by the OG commentator, Christine Reyes.
Ayan nga, Aljon, we are now live at Oragon Sports TV and One Media TV 48 Naga. And of course, papanood din po tayo ng live sa ating Bucal Facebook page. Sabi mo nga, it's the matchup for our semi-final round of the BU Wolves and the UNC Greyhounds. Magandang bakbakan po ang ating papanood ngayong hapon.
But beforehand, we would like to thank our very own sponsors. We have Nueva College Foundation, the home of the champions, Will Print, quality printing and excellent service. Pong Gabe Bordado, 3rd District Representative of Camarines Sur, Ateneo de Naga University, One Big Fight, Liman Meat Shop, top quality guaranteed, and USI, where love is service.
Gusto din natin pasalabatan ang ating ACL Sinaga Senior High School is absolutely free. Flowers and Beyond, owned and managed by Ms. Mars Alignante. When you fall short of words, Flowers will say it all. Lamon Residences and Lamon Experience Home Living. Dunkin' Donuts, pasalubong ng bayan. Gold Grappa Real Estate Development and Construction Enterprises at NCF Wings, because tigers can have wings. Maraming salamat po.
So Tin, let's talk about these both teams. I want to know your comments on these both teams kasi we've been covering these teams on the previous season. How's their improvement naman entering the season 5 Bucal?
Now, pag-usapan natin itong ating BU Wolves because last season, second runner-up lamang sila. Hindi na sila nakatungtong sa ating finals dahil nga the defending champion NCF Tigers yung kanilang nakalaban during the semi-final round. And ngayon, napakalakas na team, napakaganda ng performance nila all throughout the elimination as well as the quarterfinals. So now on the semi-final round, titignan natin kung ano pa nga ba yung bago nilang maipapakita dito. And now, kalaban pa nila ang ating UNC Greyhounds, the first runner-up during our finals last season. And now, para makikita tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Eliza. Hi Eliza, update natin dyan.
Just Mavalos, Tin and Aljon at sa lahat na nakasubaybay sa atin ngayon dito sa One Media 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon. Happy weekend to everyone. This is our second game for today, Wolves versus Greyhounds. And I am Mary Bless Eliza Balan, your courtside reporter here at the side of Bicol University Wolves. Tin and Aljon, parehong malakas at parehong kinakatakutang kupunan na magtatapat ngayong linggo. At kung babalikan nga natin, Bicol University last time gave us a very smooth match against ACL Seahawks, and this time we will witness ang sinasabi nilang the ultimate showdown of the dogs. Ayon nga sa mga Wolves, babaguhin nila ang guhit ng kapalaran after their bittersweet defeat in their last encounter with the UNC Greyhounds. Kaya tutukan natin ano nga bang magiging kapalaran ng Bicol University ngayon. Will they be able to rewrite their story and make this game their game? Sabay-sabay nating tutukan yan dito lang sa One Media 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kamyon. For now, back to you, Tin and Aljon.
Well, thank you, Eliza. This game is very anticipated game of our, volleyball enthusiasts because these both teams, kilala sila in terms of volleyball and sa Bucal tournament. Nasabi mo nga kanina, both teams magagaling. However, last season, natalo ng UNC ang BU. And maybe last time kasi nandoon yung talagang powerhouse na spikers ng UNC Greyhounds, and their team captain last time was Vincent Castillo. However, ngayon, as for my observation, Tin, actually walang natanggal or walang nawala sa mga players ng Bicol University, and maybe they can use it as an advantage to snatch the win. And to give us some more updates on the side of the Greyhounds, let's check in to Amanda.
Good afternoon, Bicolandia, and to all our live stream viewers. We are now in the thrilling semifinals of Bucal Season 5 Men and Women's Volleyball. Live here at Naga College Foundation, the battle between the UNC Greyhounds and the BU Wolves. This is Amanda Lazaro, all the way from Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. But I'll be joining you today on the side of UNC Greyhounds. The UNC Greyhounds are ready to secure a slot for the finals. As part of their intensive preparation, they watch the game of the BU Wolves and they study its combination so that they can get the technique for this game. Nalaman din nila kung magbibigay ba sila ng free ball o pressure sa kalaban. Coach Max stated that we will witness a quality volleyball game na ibibigay sa atin ng UNC Greyhounds. Nagbigay din ng mensahe ang team captain sa kanyang teammates to keep their composure focus on their blockings, service, and enjoy the game. They are ready to spike and they will play for University of Nueva Caceres. Kaya tutok lang here at Bucal Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Aljon and team.
Thank you so much, Almanda. Ayan nga, handang-handa ang ating UNC Greyhounds para sa tapatang ito against the VU Wolves. So now let's see. They're ready. Talagang nag-prepare sila for this semi-final round. And as you can see, kapag naglalaro ang UNC Greyhounds, bigay todo talaga as if it's the final or the semi-final round. And now, makikita natin yung kompetisyon to, napakaganda. Kaya sa atin pong pagbabalik, pakpakang UNC Greyhounds at PU Wolves. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Get ready to witness the thrill of the competition and the passion of the game. I am Kimberly Elenes, and this is Sportify.
Jersey number 7, Nueva, San Miguel. Jersey number 1, Charles, 642. Jersey number 4, Adrian Armando. Jersey number 12, Angelo Gonzaga. Jersey number 15, John Moses Abad. And jersey number 23, Marshall Nueva. The awards was led by interim head coach, Chico Serra. Let us now follow the first round of the Bucal Season 4 and provincial Persona champion, the University of Nueva Caceres, Nueva. Jersey number 11, Michael Rico Huerta. Jersey number 2, Gonzalez Nueva. Jersey number 9, Manuel Antonio. Jersey number 20, Gino Ruiz. Jersey captain, jersey number 3, John Cesar Academy. Jersey number 10, Vincent Caceres. And the second winner is jersey number 2, John Dennis Chico. The head coach is Mark Converge.
Well, now we're back on the anticipated match between the BU Wolves against the UNC Greyhounds. A while ago, they mentioned that UNC Greyhounds are the champion in provincial Brizaa, but the catch here is the BU Wolves also champion, Kaswaa. So talaga team, makikita mo na magaling sila and also gain a lot of wins and championship, as I've said.
Yes, kaya naman napaka-exciting ng labanan ng dalawang koponan nito. Both champions on different aspects. But now let's see as they're going to match against each other for this semi-final round. Yan, hinihintay na lang ng NCF Tigers kung sino ba sa dalawang magaling na koponan nito ang kanilang makakaharap sa finals next week. Now, our set number 1 to start now. Now Bicol will serve the ball for the UNC Greyhounds.
That says outside. First point for Greyhounds.
First point will go on the side of the BU Wolves. Now Centeno for the Wolves. Good save by Kimpo.
Alamo adjusts. Good pick up by Nueva. San Miguel targets down the line. But that says outside.
Stop number 1. Pero mainit na agad yung pagtanggap ng ating mga supporters dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court. Now, Proa. We are tied on 1.
Sets it up to San Miguel. Daga Pericahuerta. Good pick up by Nueva. Alamo on the opposite. Good pick up. And that's yes, clearly. Sir Antonio ang bola.
Yan, napakaganda na agad na pinapakitang performance dito ng dalawang koponan. Now, Pericahuerta sets it up to Ampongan.
Again, try Cesar. And he got on board. A versatility of Cesar.
Now, Ampongan.
That's too close to the net. Another point for Greyhounds.
Now, both teams, napakagaling na itong dalawang ito. Magkakatalo na lang tayo sa mga error na magagawa nila throughout the set. So now, ang kailangan nilang gawin, lessen the error, focus more on the flow offense as well as the defense. Now, Alamo will try.
A good coverage. Pericahuerta now, free ball. Good save by Nueva. Humihingi si Cesar. But he was rejected.
Napakainit, nakakakilabot yung larong ganito. Now, Dodds to serve on the side of the Wolves.
A poor reception for Proa. Now Cesar adjust on the pipe. San Miguel. Dagat again Pericahuerta. Now a free ball. At nagkatingin ng goal ng BU. A free point for the Greyhounds.
Yun nga yung mga pagiging problema na lang dito. Nakakad ng butas. Of course, miscommunication on the side of the Wolves. Now, just 1 point lead coming from the UNC Greyhounds. Centeno to Alamo. Soft touch.
Again, good pickup. Pericahuerta. Tries again. Underhand sets, no good. Cesar had to adjust. Again, back-to-back block. For Cesar. I think what the UNC have to do this is to give to other wing spikers or try to create a more creative attack. Kasi talagang bantay sarado na dito ng blocker si Cesar.
Yes, now, let's see. Batson.
Now up the top, San Miguel overshoots that one. Abante ng isa ang Greyhounds.
Now just like no one has volleyball kanina ng UNC and BU. Napakaganda rin na ipinapakita ng dalawang koponan na ito. Just 1 point lead coming from the UNC Greyhounds, Antonio. Now Azaga sets it up.
Now,
Communication.
a poor reception. UNC will try to get this point. A good dive. A good coverage for Alamo. Now back to the UNC. Jackson. Pantay sarado doon.
Nahabulan lang talaga ng puntos to Aljon. Set number 1. Napakainit, napakaganda.
And it feels like finals.
Yes! And this is what you call semi-finals talaga. Now, Ricahuerta to Proa.
A good coverage there for Ricahuerta. And Imperial. A lucky point. There's no proper contact on that ball. Still, Dio got lucky.
Walang tapon sa dalawang kupunan na ito. All players really shows their skills now. Now Azaga on the line.
Now Rile. Balik at Texon. Proa tries to adjust. Imperial. Keep a good hands on it. Now the ball is rolling. Imperial. And he got that.
Now there's the biggest gap for our set number 1. Just 2-point lead coming from the BU Wolves. Now let's see if they will continue this play or the UNC Greyhounds hahabol dito as Azaga to serve.
Again to Proa adjust. That was really outside for Proa.
Now it's time for the UNC Greyhounds to lessen their error. Azaga again to serve.
Antonio, poor reception. Now Proa had to adjust. Centeno set up to San Miguel. And it was wide.
Now, 6 serving 8 for our set number 1, Texon.
That was really inside.
Now, just 1-point lead coming from the BU Wolves. Texon again to serve.
Now Alamo, get a hands on it. Imperial. Good block with Proa. Now a quick for Amponga and it's slow.
Now, Imperial. Serving.
And really got that one. I thought they're going to scramble between Proa and Rile. But they really got that ball and a good point.
Hanapan ng butas dyan, either side ng BU Wolves. Now, Ricahuerta.
Underhand set to San Miguel. Rejected by the blockers. Proa again tries. Good pickup by Alzaga. 1 to play by Centeno. A good point. Even the setter is contributing.
Talaga namang ginagawa lahat ng players dito kanilang best to really convert a point. Dahil nga, every point is very important dito. No more errors. Now, Centeno to serve.
Ricahuerta. A good pickup there by Nueva. Alamo. A great dig for Rile. Now ball is rolling again. Alamo had to adjust. Cesar. It was going outside but still they get hands on it. Centeno binigay. On the opposite. So Alzaga cannot handle that strong attack. Now, walang lawak-pakay ng bola. But on that last error of the BO Wolves, still on the lead of 1. Now, Proa. Chance to tie the game for the UNC Greyhounds. Now, Centeno on San Miguel, and San Miguel overpowering that blockers. As I observed, Alamo was also the player of UNC Greyhounds, and now they're playing between each other. Yes. Laki ng ambag ni Alamo dito sa ating BU Wolves. And that's a net touch. Now, Abongan. 10 serving 11, 1 point lead of the BO Wolves. That is, yes, that was in. Now we are already tied at 11. Now error is very crucial at this moment. We are tied on 11-all for our set number 1. Now Apongan again to serve. But this time, service error. So a bonus point for the side of the BU Wolves. Dodds now on the service deck. On the opposite relay, rejected by the blockers, Alzaga, and a check ball. Naitaas muli ng BU Wolves sa dalawang kalamangan nila dito. Now let's see what we'll do on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. And again, Cesar is marked by the blockers of the BU, and that timeout was called by the UNC Greyhounds. So Tin, what's probably your observation of this, change of the momentum of these both teams? And you know what, Aljon, sa pagsimula ng ating set number 1, napakaganda na pinapakita ng depensa as well as the offense of these two teams. Pero ngayon, on that last sequence, medyo talagang ginaganahan ngayon ng BU Bulls from their blockings, from their spikes. Grabe, napakalakas. And of course, hindi talaga nila pinapayagan na lumapag yung bola. And now, 3-point lead. Ito na yata yung pinakamalaking kalamangan nila for our set number 1. But after this timeout, let's see kung ano ba yung gagawin ng UNC Greyhounds para makahabol sa bukas ng BU Bulls. And now, we are back on the ball game. That's true, Ian. Well, I also observe that the ball distribution of BU Wolves is very unpredictable. Makikita mo talagang may mga combination plays sila, pumapalo even at the back. Whereas UNC, madaming pumuputang bola sa wing spikers such as Antonio, wherein talagang napablock siya. Also sa opposite naman, umaatake si Riley. However, the ball distribution, I think the Cowerta must actually be more creative in terms of their combination plays. Now let's see, as Antonio again. Well, a good dig, balik sa Greyhounds ang bola, and Rilo make sure that he got that point. Now, 12-15 on our scoreboard. Tatlo ang kalamangan dito ng UNC or the BU Wolves rather. At this point, Rile
Almost an ace.
Yan, Antonio papalo sa open. And off the block. A good 2-point run for the Greyhounds.
No, really again.
Well, based on of this former teammate Alamo, 1-on-1.
Grabe yung palitan ng atake dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. And of course, talaga yung blockings nila. Hindi nila inahayaan makalusot. Now, Centeno sa Sirap Gonzaga.
Good pick up by Rile. Huerta over that ball. Alamo tries again. At the pipe pro adjust. Now Alzaga changes momentum. Rile is down and still got that ball. Combination play Imperial. The ball is still alive again. Rile balik sa kanilang team captain who's blocked. And really the crowd loving it. That was Texon with the crowds went wild.
Again, we are tied on 15-all. Grabe, napaka-intense ng labanan. UNC and BU now, really again. Centeno, sa Sirap, Gonzaga. Binawi agad yung puntos na yan. Now, double substitution for the side of the BU Wolves. Operio will go inside as well as Mapa. Alamo and Centeno, papahinga muna. Now, Operio on the service deck. Again, Operio.
Huerta passes to Rile. Rile overshoots that one. Now 17-15.
Now back to 2-point lead ang BU Wolves. Operio again to serve.
The perception from Proa. Antonio. No risk action.
Now, only 7 points for the side of the BU Wolves to get that set number 1. Operio.
A low set for Texon. And almost 4-0 run for the Wolves.
Yan na, Adjo, napatawag na nga ng timeout dito because on that last sequence, medyo nakakakommit na nga ng error itong side ng ating UNC Greyhounds, which resulted to 4-point lead of the BU Wolves. Now, 6 points na lamang para makuha ang set number 1 for this BU Wolves. Napakaganda na pinapakita nila dito from the attacks to offense as well as the defense. Now, let's see what will the adjustment for the side of the UNC Greyhounds para makahabol dyan at para maidikit ang puntos sa BU Wolves. Now, we are back on the ball game. Just a few scores and we're going to end this intense set number 1. Operio again to serve.
Well, Operio on the deck to serve. That sails outside. A good timeout for Coach Mac. No, Panampo will chicken in for Cesar. This is also a rookie Panampo. Well, a good serve from Panambo. Ganda lang hugot doon. Well, now, do you call the timeout? Well, maybe that tactic na lang talaga dito ngayon ng mga coaches na magta-timeout if may mga runs na talaga dito ang both teams.
Yes, after the timeout nga, dalawa agad na puntos ang nagawa ng UNC Greyhounds. At ngayon, 2 puntos na lamang ang hahabulin nila against the BU Wolves. Now, let's see. As the intensity still rising for our set number 1. Now, bago ang lahat, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating live audience dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court and of course, ang ating live viewers sa ating Facebook Live sa Bucal at Oragon Sports TV. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkatabay. Now, jersey number 16 to serve.
What an exclamation on that last sequence. It was a perfect receive from Nueva and a perfect set.
No, Zaga to serve.
Proa had to adjust. Imperial wasn't able to lift that ball. A point for the Greyhounds. Now Texon on the deck to serve. That was clearly 2 touches for Mata. Ay rather Ontario.
Now, isang puntos na lamang inahabol ng UNC Greyhounds dito.
That sails outside for Texon. Now 21-19. 4 points away for BU Wolves.
4 na puntos para sa ating BU Wolves to end the set number 1. Now Maneja on the service deck.
Ampongan. A good point. Now 20. 21. A crucial moment.
Hindi pa rin natigil dito yung habulan ng puntos ng dalawang kupulan na ito ng Rico Huerta. Chance to tie the game. Pero, service error.
A crucial error. And no Antonio in front. Rather, in the first 6, wala sa Antonio. I'm expecting kung ano ang gagawing plays dito ng UNC. Whereas dito naman sa Wolves, balik na naman si Alamo at Centeno. And a full frontline team.
Now, Centeno. Just 3 points away for the side of the BU Wolves to end the set number 1.
Rico Huerta sets it up to Rilo. Rilo's rejected. Alamo and God's really working out to sweep the net.
Now 23 serving 20. Napakalapit na. But still, the UNC Greyhounds have a chance here to get a score. Centeno.
Panambo. Ampon again. 21. 21-23. Now the team captain will check it in. Both teams have a full front line. Now San Miguel, check by the blockers. Alamo gets that point, check ball.
Kaya medyo now dyan, set point na ang ating Bucals. One more point on getting that set number 1. But let's see anong kayang gagawin ng UNC Greyhounds dito to extend the game for our set number 1. Now San Miguel.
Really adjust. Bend. One match point save.
Now Ampongan, 22 serving 24.
Now, the Wolves got the set number 1. Now, magbabalik kami for more action only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back for our set number 2 of this matchup of the UNC Greyhounds and the BU Wolves for our semi-final round. Sa ating ang set number 1 nakuha ng BU Wolves, ending it by 25-23. Now let's see as the set number 2 will start, as Centeno will serve the ball for the side of the BU Wolves.
Rico Huerta over that ball. A good pickup by Kimpo. Throw on the swing. And Nueva couldn't handle that. A point for the Greyhounds. Dodds really working hard to get that point. A good, quick.
Now let's see what will be the adjustment of the UNC Greyhounds dito sa ating set number 2 to snatch one set. Now, Ikuweta, Tampongan. Really good pickup by Nueva.
Now, good luck by Tampongan. The Proa on the deck to serve. On the middle. Nobody home for Alamo.
Now we are tied 2-all for our set number 2. Now, Dodds of the BU Wolves serve. Rico Huerta. Another point for the side of the BU Wolves. So now let's see ano kaya yung magiging adjustment ng ating UNC Greyhounds. At ano kaya ang update all the way from their side. Tawagan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Amanda. Hi Amanda, update natin dyan.
Nagsimula ang mainit ang laban, Tin and Aljon. At kung nakita natin kanina ay nagpalitan ng malalakas na spikes at blocks. Indeed, we saw a nerve-wracking fight between the two teams. On the side of the Greyhounds is the dedication and communication of the players. The team is very conscious and hands-on on their gameplay. Walang lalapag na bolang laro ang ipinakita nila sa gitna ng laban. As they maintained a good play, Coach Max still reminded the Greyhounds to focus on the ball and their communication at mag-adjust kung kinakailangan. The team players also included na bawasan ng errors para di makapuntos ang BU Wolves. Sa pagpakita nila ng kanilang training upshot, makakaya-kaya nila ang second set. Yan ang dapat nating abangan here at Bucal Facebook page, 1 Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Yun lang mga update mula dito. Balik sa inyo, Aljon and team.
Samantha, focus on the ball and work on your communication. I think they're already working out in terms of their communication as they get that point on that last sequence. Now, Ampongan on the net to serve. At the kite, a good pick up.
Now, another point will go on the side of the BU Wolves. Ngayon, ano kaya yung gagawin nila para ma-maintain yung ganitong performance throughout the set number 2 at para makikita tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Eliza. Hi Eliza, ano update natin dyan?
This set is really about making it count or losing it. Set 1 pa lang, but the Wolves are indeed howling with pride and passion. Ramdam na ramdam ang kagustuhan nilang makapasok sa finals. For them, it's really about reading the opponent's techniques para makalusot at makakuha ng puntos. Do the same play and continue the good game. Gaya ng lagi naming sinasabi, maaga pa para magsaya. Kaya tutok lang dito sa 1 Media 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you, Tin and Aljon.
BUs are very good in terms of reading their opponent. Talagang makikita mo na palaging may sumasabay sa kanilang mga wing spikers and also their defense pattern. Palaging bantay ni Nueva at their other teammates. And now, the BU Wolves are now trying to put pressure on the side of the Greyhounds. That's Alamo to serve. Now Cesar making sure that she gets back around. Okimpo, good reflexes. Alzaga, again, good sweeping for Proa. At the pipe, San Miguel, straight to the net. 2-0 run for the Greyhounds.
Southern serving 5. 2-point lead. Coming from the BU Wolves. Now BU still on the lead here. Will they dominate for our set number 2? Really again.
Imperial. Block sa rin pero violation ang tatawag dito kay Texon. Net touch.
Ayun nga Aljon, sunod-sunod na nga yung error dito sa side ng UNC Greyhounds and they need to lessen that. Now, on the other side, Alzaga to serve.
Really at the pipe. Nueva. Solid defense. Cesar Antonio. Mark by Imperial.
Now, biggest gap for our second set. 9 serving 5 in favor of the BU Wolves. Alzaga again to serve.
Poor reception. Now at the pipe. That was wide for Rile. 2-0 run dito ang Wolves.
Sunod-sunod na nga yung error dito ng UNC Greyhounds. Let's see. How will they cope up with the score of the BU Wolves?
Now bibigay ulit kay Cesar and Cesar breaks down the blockers.
Now Castillo serving.
Now Kimbo on the handset to Proa. And he got some point.
Naibaba na nga sa tatlong kalamangan dito ng BU Wolves. Castillo again to serve.
No, San Miguel. Papasok yan. And a stare down.
Imperial. Serve.
Alzaga, get hands on it. San Miguel again. And a check ball.
The BU Wolves still dominating our second set. UNC Greyhounds need to step up. Again, Imperial to serve.
Proa. Good pick up from Alzaga and San Miguel. Straight to the net.
Now 12, serving 8. Jersey number 8 to serve for the UNC Greyhounds. Another point para dito sa ating BU Wolves. Now, let's see. Ano kayang gagawin dito ng UNC Greyhounds?
Well, now every wing spikers of Greyhounds are now marked by the blockers of Wolves. 14-8. Combination play, Proa. And now, gumagana talaga ang combination plays dito ng Greyhounds. And then, you have to do more on that attacks.
So, let's see. Medyo malaki yung 5 puntos na kalamangan dito ng BU Wolves. Picowerta. Now, combination play by Alamo. Another point for the BU Wolves. Now, this is a good set number 2 for the side of the BU Wolves. At medyo hindi din naging maganda yung pagsimula dito para sa UNC Greyhounds with that errors. San Miguel.
Now really too close to the net. And a timeout called by the Greyhounds. I think the problem here of the Greyhounds, their ball distributions. Kasi pag binibigay nila sa opposite or sa open, talagang may dalawang blockers. Pero pag binibigay naman nila sa middle, may nakukuha silang point. And I think the ball distribution of Recowerta must, I guess, give it to those wing spikers na open yung blockers.
Yes, kasi from the set number 1, ibang-iba yung laro dito ng UNC Greyhounds. So I think they need to really double their effort at this moment because napakalaki na nga ng kalamangan dito ng ating points. Is very big gap para sa ganitong intense na laro. Now let's see as the game will continue. Will the UNC Greyhounds babawi this halfway of set number 2 or the BU Wolves dominate this up until the end of this set. Now San Miguel.
A Proa on the opposite. Good pick up by San Miguel. Now ball is rolling. Ampongan. Babalik yan. Relay on the opposite. Check. Centeno bibigay ka Alzaga. Alzaga had to adjust. At the pipe. Now long rally. Alamo using the hands of the blockers to get that point.
Again, another good point coming from the BU Wolves, San Miguel.
Now relay is check. A free ball. Combination play. Good read by the blockers. Alzaga is check. Good luck. May relay ng Poman.
Now, still a 7-point lead here. 8 points na lamang para sa BU Wolves. Now, Proa to serve.
Alzaga. Good pick up by Kimpo but couldn't handle that.
Now, Dodds to serve for the side of the BU Wolves.
Now Cesar making sure na makukuha niya ang puntos na yun.
Now, Abongan serving.
Imperial, check. Miggy up the pipe and sees the donut hole.
Serving 11. Now, the set number 2 is dominated by the BU Wolves. And just 6 points away on getting that 2 straight set. Alzaga or Operio on the line.
Wow, Rile left alone with 1 blocker.
Now double substitution for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Bitancor and Cañeta will go in now. Pahinga muna si Rile at Rica Huerta. Again, it's 19 serving 12. Bitancor to serve.
Quick attack by Imperial. A good connection there. Now Aguayo will check in. A full front line.
No, Alzaga
for the Wolves.
5 points away.
That sails outside for Alzaga. Now Cesar on the deck to serve. On the opposite. Good block by Proa. They're still hanging on. (14-20).
Now 6-point gap of the BU Wolves. Antonio again to serve.
Aguayo. Check. And nobody was there to get the second ball.
Ng konti na lang para dito sa BU Wolves. The UNC Greyhounds needs to double their effort from the defense as well as the offense. Now Imperial to serve.
Well, a good service ace, a much needed service ace coming from Imperial. Quick attack. Good pickup there by Imperial on the opposite. And that's good for Mapa. Everyone is contributing on the side of the Wolves.
Now, 2 puntos na lamang para sa BU Wolves for this set. Imperial.
Cañeta on the opposite. And straight to the net.
Again, the BU Wolves is on set point. Kaya naman napatawag na ng timeout ang ating UNC Greyhounds because at this point, 1 puntos na lamang hinihintay ng BU Wolves to get the set number 2. And throughout the set number 2 is not a good performance coming from the UNC Greyhounds. A lot of errors and of course, laging nahahanapan dito ng butas. But let's see what will be their adjustment at this point.
well, wala ngayon sa loob si Antonio. And I think, nire-reserve siya for another set. And the UNC, I think, have to step up. They are all great in terms of their skills in spiking and their defense kasi nandoon si Kimpo to help them. But much needed talaga din yung attack sila. Kasi maganda naman yung set, however, hindi sila nakakapatay because of the blockers. Because it requires a very good skills for wing spikers. And now, Prova is on the front line. We'll see. Or Cañeta. A push. Mapa again. And now, 2-0. Beowulfs only needs 1 set to get the ticket to finals for more action. All here. Magbabalik po kami all here to Rago Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Time to dominate! With its built-in high prioritization feature,
Yes!
charge into battle with low latency.
Yes!
Get into the race with low jitter.
Yes!
Apply for a game changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX.
We are back for our set number 3. And now the BU Wolves is down by 2 sets. Isang set na lamang para sa kanila para pumunta sa final round together with the defending champion NCF Tigers, yung naudlot na paghaharap sa ating finals. Let's see kung matutuloy na ba ngayong season na to. But let's see as the UNC Greyhounds still have this chance here para humabol at depensahan ang kanilang laban this afternoon. Now, San Miguel to attack. First point will go on the side of the BU Wolves.
Well, now, makikita mo talaga San Miguel, the confidence really puts it that through. Kasi, you know, they only need one set for them to get the ticket to the finals and to meet the NCF Tigers. I think if I'm not mistaken, Tin, the last appearance of the Wolves to the finals was on season 3.
Now let's see. Mauulit ba ngayong season na ito together with their rival team, which is the NCF Tigers? But let's see. As we're just only starting the set number 3. Still have a chance here for the UNC Greyhounds, but for the side of the Bucal, such a great performance from our set number 1 to set number 2, and now for our set number 3. What will they do to maintain their momentum? Now, ball still alive here. And the Hayward up ball and kill it with that point. Another point will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. At para makikita tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Bucals, let's call on our courtside reporter, Liza. Hi Liza, what's your update?
Now we know while this match is called the ultimate battle of the dogs, kitang-kita natin palitan at pasahan ng puntos ang nangyari, but BU Wolves seems to be in the right track right now. This is a non-stop power and a non-stop play from the Wolves. Konting-konti na lang at makukuha na nila panalo. So let's see if this good play will continue to the set 3. Kaya tutok lang dito sa 1-48 Nueva o Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon. For now, back to the panel.
Thanks, Eliza. I think everything talaga gumagana dito sa side ng Wolves, and that last sequence, they still got that point. The ball is rolling. Rile had to adjust. At patay sarado doon. Alzaga at Dodds. Well, now, UNC are having a slow start.
Now, the UNC Greyhounds medyo nahihirapan dito sa ating set number 3. Let's see. Ball still live. Proa. Nawala mo. The attack.
Akimpo. A good dig and to give some more updates on the side of the Greyhounds. Let's check in into Amanda.
Team, they came aggressively on the second set at ipinakita ang magandang play combination kung saan nahirapan ang BU Wolves na saluhin ang malalakas na spikes na nanggagaling sa Greyhounds. Talino at lakas ang daladala ngayon ng UNC Greyhounds. Isang magandang pasa ay kaakibat ng isang puntos, kaya naman hindi sila nagbibigay ng predictable set sa kalaban. Target nga nila ang weakest points ng kalaban para makapuntos sa bawat tira. Pagtrabahuan at pagtiyagaan ang score, yan naman ang iniwan ni Coach Vince bago matapos ang huddle. They are maintaining the positive energy inside the hard court at kukunin nila ang third set. Yan lamang ang update mula dito. Balik sa inyo, Algin and team.
Thank you so much, Amanda. Ayan, positive mindset for the side of the UNC Greyhounds, even though we have a 4-point lead. Let's see here. What will be their adjustment at this point? Now, Antonio to attack. And through the block. Another point for the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Well, that was a good attack coming from Antonio, targeting down the line. An open spot. Now Alamo on the opposite. A deep cross court. That's good. Talagang nilihis sa blockers ang palo na yon.
Now, third set will be a win for the BU Wolves, but also a chance for the UNC Greyhounds to get their redemption here. Now, Picahuerta, Texon.
Imperial got that ball. A little thick. Fake set, that was a fake set. Walang sumabay kay Imperial. At libreng-libre.
Now, patuloy pa rin yung magandang communication ng BU Wolves.
Now a good dig from Kimpo. The balls are rolling. Run and gun for Imperial. Noting you're seeing a more creative plays on the side of the Wolves.
Now Alamo to serve.
Cesar tries. Good pick up. The Alamo. Ball still alive. Alzaga. One-on-one. Single block. But still squeezing to get that point. And a timeout was called by the Greyhounds. I think the pressure is on. I guess I'd say na lamang na dito ang Wolves, a really comfortable lead.
As we can see, the BO Wolves just enjoying this third set dahil nga napakaganda ng communication nila inside the court, and they're just really happy with that score. And of course, for the side of the UNC Greyhounds, they really need to step up and to double their effort. No more errors at this point if they really wanted to get this set number 3. But let's see what will be their new gameplay as of this moment to get back their momentum. 3 serving 10, 7-point lead, the big gap against the BU Wolves.
We'll see if they can stop the BU Wolves to get the points. Because knowing BU Wolves, they can really put pressure in terms of their attacking department. Now Texon is checked. Bibigay ka Cesar. A good dig by San Miguel. And that was wide. Regalo sana yon kay Antonio.
Now the BU Wolves continuously dominating this third set. Alamo, a service error, bonus point for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. And I think there's their chance here to convert a point, to focus more on their floor defense as well as their offense. Now Antonio. On the service deck.
Kimpo, good pancake. Cesar is checked by Alzaga. Brother Proa.
Yes, the BU Wolves always find that hold on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. And as of this moment, such a big gap for our set number 3. Now Ricoelta sets it up to Proa. Good pick by Nueva. Now San Miguel to attack. Ball still alive here one more time for San Miguel. And it's still inside.
Well, in terms of transition, the Wolves and getting that point, their attackers is very good in terms of getting the points, and really talagang it breaks the blockers. But on that sequence, Texon get that point.
Now Texon break that continuous points from the side of the BU Wolves. Now let's see, will it be a chance for them to get their momentum? Now Texon serving.
Underhand set to Miguel. Pick up by Alamo. To Nueva. Bibigayan kay Proa. Proa had to adjust. And Proa sees the donut hole.
Now the UNC Greyhounds really need that. And at this point, they need to be consistent from their blockings as well as their offense. Now let's see. Texon.
Miguel with some authority on that attack. Miguel.
Now Imperial. 6 serving 14 now. Very good serve.
Alzaga, good dig. Combination play to Ampongan. Again. San Miguel. Nobody home. A clean down the line hit.
As you can see, this is a very good set number 3 for the side of the Beowulfs. Just enjoying, and of course, they're really putting a lot of effort in every attacks they're making. Now Imperial, UNC Greyhounds at this point. They really needed that break. Now bonus point for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now Rico Huerta on the service deck.
San Miguel had to adjust. Good pickup by Cesar. Proa. Rather relay. Now relay on the opposite. And still, they are hanging on the third set.
Eight serving 15, 7-point lead here coming from the Beowulfs. Big gap, but still. Long game.
And the over receive by Alamo, and still referee will awarded that point to the Wolves. Double contact.
Now Centeno serving.
Now really on the wing. Good pick up by Nueva. Overset. And Proa making sure that he got that kill.
Now Proa, 9 serving 16.
Alamo is check. Balik kay San Miguel. Really on the opposite, have to adjust. Alamo. And a net touch for Cesar.
No, they need to lessen that errors. At this point, the BU Wolves is just 8 points away on getting this win against the UNC Greyhounds. Now, relay.
Good pickup by Nueva. Alamo. Cesar on the wing. And he cuts the line.
Now at this point, the UNC Greyhounds humahabol pa rin dito sa puntos ng BU Wolves. Ampongan.
That was a difficult set for Alamo. Na Operio checking in.
Substitution here, Operio will be back on the court for the side of the BU Wolves. Ampongan again to serve.
Now Operio to Alzaga. Alzaga is checked. Cesar is checked also. Now free ball for Greyhounds. Now the ball is still rolling. Good reflexes from Proa. And a one block for Alamo is no good.
Now still a big gap against the BU Wolves. Score 11, serving 18. Now Dodds.
Now poor reception for Greyhounds now. Combination play to Alzaga with some authority.
Now 6 points away ang ating BU Wolves on winning this match, making it to the finals. But let's see. Dodds.
Good pickup by Dodds. Now Alzaga, a difficult decision. He was behind that ball.
Now relay.
Now a good pick up from Kimpo, but still a lot of power on that attack by Alzaga.
Now, Alamo.
For Antonio's check, Alamo. Will Alamo getting that point off of the hands of Rile? His former teammates now a timeout was called. A crucial situation. 10 is out to 21 to 12. 4 points away for BU Wolves in getting the ticket to the finals. Well, sinabi mo kayo na walang tapon. Both teams played their best from the elimination rounds down to semifinals. And now we're here. Isa lang talaga ang kailangan natin, sang ticket na lang. At sino kaya sa palagay mo, Tier, at this moment?
At this point, the BU Wolves, napakaganda na performance na pinapakita nila. While on the other side, the UNC Greyhounds, medyo nahihirapan dito to convert a point. And at this point nga, kailangan talaga nila is a very good defense dahil nga napakalakas ng mga atake ibinibigay dito ng ating BU Wolves. And if they really wanted to extend this game up to set number 5, they really need to do this at this point. And with the help of that service error coming from Alamo.
Now Cesar, the team captain, still hanging on. Proa is check. 1-2 play. Mababa yun. For Ontario.
No. They needed 7 points for the side of the UNC Greyhounds to tie the game here. Antonio, 21-14.
A good pancake save by Kimpo. Alzaga again. No risk action. And a timeout also. Oh, for Bicol University. A good timeout a while ago by Coach Mac. And dito naman nakakuha sila ng 2 points. So, a change of momentum again.
Yes, kaya nga napatawag dyan ng timeout ang ating BU Wolves. But this time, will the UNC Greyhounds really get this set? Kailangan na nila talaga nila yan if they really wanted to extend the game. 15-21, 6-point lead coming from the BU Wolves. What will happen? between the UNC and the BU dahil pareho nilang gustong makuha itong panalong ito and get on the championship round against the NCF Tigers. Now, they really need to be consistent at this moment. No more errors for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, team captain Antonio still fighting for that spot. Pero very crucial error coming from him.
A lot of pressure on the side of Greyhounds. 22-15, 3 points away.
Now España will be joining the BU Wolves in that last 3 points on their side. What will he contribute for the side of the Wolves here?
Now Proa is checked. Good pick up by España. Alamo. Babalik yan.
Just 16-22 on our scoreboard. Konti na lang para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds para makahabol sa puntos ng BU Wolves. And at this moment, will it be a change of momentum between these two teams? Now, very crucial at this moment.
Bailey is checked. A dead set for San Miguel. We're in this crucial situation here. Both teams cannot afford to commit unforced errors kasi nga dito naghahabol ang Greyhounds and napatunayan nila na kaya talaga nilang humabol and nag-get a set. Dito naman sa Beowulfs, if you have a comfortable lead, you're just gonna end the set. Now, speaking of ending the set, San Miguel is on fire.
Now, let's see with just 2 points. For the side of the BU Wolves, will they end this or the UNC Greyhounds still extends it up until the end? Now, Bailey.
Ampelan is checked. Now, a match point. Will the BU Wolves repeat the history in the finals as they will face the defending champion, or can the UNC still this third set and get the ticket to the finals, a match point?
Yes, with that match point, medyo mahirap na yun, Aljon, but let's see. Anything is possible. Now, Bailey, will he end it?
Well, the pressure is on. Rile. Passes to Proa. Proa says no. They're still hanging on.
Now, 18-24. No more errors. Floor defense as well as the offense needs to focus on that one.
Now, Alama, poor reception. Again, a dead set. Match point save. Relay. Making sure that they will still hang on in this third set.
Still, they needed 5 points. Will they do it straight to extend the game? Now, Rico Huerta.
Now, Cañeta to San Miguel. And congratulations, Bicol University, for getting the ticket to the finals as you will face the defending champion. Congratulations. And for more actions, we'll be right back only here at Orago Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
time to dominate. With its built-in high prioritization feature,
Yes!
charge into battle with low latency.
Yes!
Get into the race with low jitter.
Yes!
Apply for a game changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX. It's time to dominate. With its built-in high prioritization feature,
Yes!
charge into battle with low latency.
Yes!
Get into the race with low jitter.
Yes!
Apply for a game changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX.
Get ready to witness the thrill of the competition and the passion of the game. I am Kimberly Elenes, and this is Sportify.
The best player of the game is brought to you by Willprint. Quality printing, excellent service, your printing partner since 1985. Mga kaibigan, kasama ko ngayon ang bumida at naging alas ng Bicol University Wolves na nakukuha ng 13 points, 6 attacks, 6 block, and 1 service ace. No other than, again, jersey number 13, Atelia Imperial. Congratulations once again indeed. Another carjack game coming from BU Wolves. You guys were able to rewrite your story against the Greyhounds. Kaya naman ito ang tanong ng marami. Compared to last time na nakatapat niyo ang Greyhounds, sa tingin mo, saan kayo nag-improve? O anong klaseng bawi ang ginawa ng Bicol University against UNC Greyhounds?
Sa tingin ko po, nag-improve kami sa lahat kasi sa defense, sa attacks, tapos kasi natuto kami nung last season na natalo kami ng UNC.
Ayan, for sure, habang tumatagal, palakas ng palakas at patindi ng patindi ang laban nyo for this season. Pero ito ang tanong, satisfied na ba kayo sa performance na pinapakita nyo, and you think this performance will lead you to be the next champion of Bucal?
Hindi pa po. Lalakasan pa namin.
Yes, lalakasan, and that's the spirit of the Howlong Bulls. As the best player of the game, jersey number 13, you have had the chance to batiin and pasalamatan lahat ng sumuporta at lahat ng sumaybaybay sa inyo ngayong araw. Please go ahead.
Salamat po sa lahat ng sponsors namin, sa family ko po nanonood, sa friends namin, sa ka-team, sa mga coaches, Kuya Len, Ate Koy, Kuya Yosh, Ate Sa, Kuya Migs. Tapos, shout out sa girlfriend ko na nanonood ngayon. I love you.
Thank you so much, jersey number 13, Atelia Imperial, and congratulations once again. This is Mary Bless Eliza Belen ang maghahatid sa inyo ng siksik liglig, walang labis, walang kulang na mga balita dito sa loob ng hardcourt. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Aljon.
Again, our best player of the game is none other than jersey number 13, Apilia Imperial with 13 points, 6 attacks, 6 blocks, and 1 service ace. Again, congratulations to BU Wolves on getting that spot for the finals against the NCF Tigers. And of course, congratulations for a good fight of the UNC Greyhounds.
And we're all set to the finals for women's division. We have the defending champion NCF Tigers will neck and neck against the rival team, University of Nueva Caceres Greyhounds. And on the men's division, we have the Bicol University Wolves against the NCF Tigers, also the rivals. And see you guys next week. This has been Aljon.
And I am Christina Canzo Reyes. Napakagandang bakbakan po ang papanood natin next week. Kaya tutukan lamang yan dito sa Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.